Mr. Rahul Singh, I'll say one thing to you now.
Yeah.
And don't mind
you're
it.
With a great respect. Sexual assault, and this is completely.
He's not trivializing anything.
I said
he's not an ignorant man.
I said earlier, Mr.
I'm
Rahul
just
Singh,
trying to give a sense of proportion. I'm trying to give a sense of proportion. We've gone to the other extreme.
Don't get me about sense of proportion. What proportion, Mr. Rahul Singh? When a woman has been raped, when her body has been penetrated, enough of this rubbish, Mr. Rahul Singh. I said earlier with respect to you that your views are antediluvian. I'm saying to you tonight, Mr. Rahul Singh, consider this. Your views are Jurassic. And you really ought to get a reality check about the times that you live in, Mr. Rahul Singh. Don't make a point. Don't take a point too far.
Arnab, you know, you brought up this thing about Tehelka and Tejpal. You had brought that up.
Well, do not take your point too far, Mr. Rahul Singh.
No, no.
Please
Let me put you a hypothetical situation. One hypothetical. Supposing somebody in your channel, a senior person on your channel, is accused of the same thing. Would you bring down the entire Times of India, the entire Times of India network?
You know, the problem with you is that you have a very high tolerance for sexual assault, molestation and rape. I wonder how, why, where you got this point of view. I do not want to, go into this in detail. I see that Dalit Tahil wants to come back into the debate, and I wonder if Sanjoy can finally hear me. Sanjoy, can you hear me?
I can, Arnab.
Yes, you can. Yes. So Sanjoy Roy.
Hello.
I just have one question.
I can hear you.
I have one question for you. Right now, Sanjoy Roy, the bail plea, Tarun Tejpal's bail plea before the Goa Sessions Court claimed that the act was not criminal, was consensual because the victim is an educated, emancipated woman who wanted the apology to be published on the letter of Tehelka. She cannot be compared to a tradition-bound, non-permissive Society of India girl who would be extremely reluctant to make such revelation in fear of being shunned by family or society. In other words, it made this whole ridiculous argument that if somebody is educated and emancipated, she cannot be believed when she makes a charge such as this. I just wanted your views on this rather bizarre argument which was also put by Tarun Tejpal in his bail plea.
Arnab, if you saw the letters which were leaked initially, where the alleged victim asked for an apology from Tarun, an unconditional apology from Tarun, and as well as asked for this to be an internal matter, and the Vishaka committee be set up internally. And following that, if you remember that she had numerous conversations and emails.
No,
she did.
She asked for her complaint to be processed through a complaints committee.
Exactly.
And it's on an email. I mean, this is again not conjecture.
Pass it on to the police. She did not ask for it to be an internal matter.
I mean, in her letter, and to be fair to her,
no.
She did. If you read her letter,
to be an internal matter.
Let me clarify to Tarun.
Now,
the
law, of course,
Sanjoy.
The law is completely new, and as both Vrinda and Kavita have said, it's an extremely important case because I think the precedents will be set by it, and I think it's extremely important that the case be heard in all fairness. And whatever the judgment is, and whatever the process is, let the case, let justice find its own course.
Of course, the justice should be there. Now, Mr. Roy,
You're saying we shouldn't have justice,
today,
or you're saying it shouldn't have its own course? I'm not sure what you're saying. No to, Arnab.
If you listen, you will know, right, Mr. Sanjoy Roy? If you want to listen, you will know. If you don't want to listen, you will not know what I'm telling you. What I am telling you today is that I have two versions, okay? On the one version, I have the journalist's constant version of events. It doesn't change what the victim is saying, right? Yes. On the other hand, I have the extremely shifty version. And I can prove it to you of Tarun Tejpal. November 19th, email to the victim, I apologize.
And how have you decided
that's
that
what
shifty?
You're talking about.
How have you decided? How have you decided that it's shifty?
I realize, Mr. Sanjoy,
because you're the judge, you're hearing the case, you have the exact case in front of you.
Who
You
will
have
be the
heard the
judges?
defense.
You people will be
I'm
the
sorry,
judges or
Arnab.
what?
So,
I mean, I don't understand how
Mr.
you can
Sanjay Roy, I'll tell you one thing.
prejudge a case.
I'll tell
It's
you one thing.
ridiculous that you take the stand.
I'm asking questions.
I mean, you're supposed to be
It is-
part of
it
the
is
media.
entirely possible.
You're supposed to be fair in a
Mr.
matter like
Mr.
this. You are seen to be
Mr.
a fair
Sanjay
person,
Roy.
so I don't understand how you can go off on a tangent and say that you've
Mr. Roy,
decided
you
to
see, I'll
shift.
tell you one thing.
Just because you've decided
I'll tell
something
you one
is
thing,
shifty,
Mr. Roy.
I'm sorry, it does
Mr.
not
Roy,
make it
yes,
shifty.
Mr. Roy, I am a
Perhaps,
journalist
Arnab,
and you are
again,
not, so don't
if you
teach
were to
me.
ask the right
So I'll tell you,
questions, it would help
I'll tell you one thing,
and
Mr. Roy.
demand for the
I'll tell you
CCTV
one
footage
thing, by way of
to
my
be given to
experience.
you in the
I'll
same way
share
that you've
something
got
with you. Listen
hold
to
of
me.
the charge sheet, and let that CCTV footage prove what the case is or not. And let all of this be decided in a court of law. Exactly what Kavita and
I
Vrinda
have 2
said.
points to make
It's an
to you. Mr.
extremely
Roy,
important
Mr.
case.
Roy, without
It's the
getting-
first
without getting
time
all
that
excitable,
this
you
new
listen
law
to
is going to be tested. And I think it's extremely important that everybody concerned
now will you listen
looks
to
at the
me?
case and
Will you
understands the
listen to me,
repercussions
Mr.
of
Roy?
it. It is
Mr. Roy,
an
will you listen to me? Brinda, I'm
extremely
coming to you.
important time
No, now,
to
Mr. Roy,
correct
listen
a
to me.
historic wrong against
Listen
women.
to me. Now listen to me. Okay, listen to me now. Okay. Now I'll tell you one thing. My experience has been that everybody thinks I'm fair till I begin to ask them about what they might have done. Now everybody, Suresh Kalmari probably thought I was fair till I brought up the CWG scam. Mr. Raja may say the same thing till we brought up the 2G scam. Now people don't think I'm fair when I ask them the questions. Now I was just completing, and if you'd allow me to say, when you unfortunately interrupted me rather loudly, Sanjay Roy, I'll tell you 5 things, 5 changes of position of Tarun Tejpal. Because I think the victim has been constant, Tarun Tejpal has been shifting, and you will have to hear me out on this because viewers may want to hear. November 19th, I apologize unconditionally. Email to victim. November 20th, email to Shoma. I take blame for this bad lapse of judgment, misreading of situation. November 23rd, SMS to friends. It was an incredibly fleeting, totally consensual encounter. Another U-turn. November 23rd, public statement. Unfortunately, sometimes happens in life. I offer my fullest cooperation to the police. I have tried to do what was honorably demanded of me. November 23rd to the Indian Express. He says it is a totally mendacious account of what happened. My lawyers are being framed and there are political forces behind me. Now, these are 5 changes of position of Tarun Tejpal versus a fairly constant position as far as the journalist is concerned. Now, that's all I was putting out. I don't know why my putting out this fairly straightforward truth amounts to being judge, jury, and executioner. Okay, Brinda wanted to come in on this. Brinda, yes. To Sanjay Roy.
Just yes, 3 points. Firstly, on the CCTV footage, I haven't seen the CCTV footage. I can only say what is described in the charge sheet. It talks about the time that is spent in the lift, which is different from the time that the lift would ordinarily take unless someone is deliberately stopping the lift. Secondly, it talks about how when she's coming out, she's looking unsettled, and at one point on the second date, she's being taken back in the lift. So yes, the battery of lawyers who descended in Goa to defend Tarun Tejpal, both from Delhi and Bombay, I am sure will again descend on the trial court in order to ensure that their client gets the best of defense, which he has a right to. So there is no denying him a fair trial here, and nobody is trying to do that. What is happening here is that the friends and family of Tarun Tejpal are trying to overawe the court, are trying to vitiate the fair trial, and are trying to mislead and influence public opinion.
It cannot be allowed to happen. The matter is very much in the public domain, and the media has every right to ask questions on it, which we will, for sure. Thank you very much, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on that debate on the day Tarun Tejpal gets a charge sheet against him. And thank you for being with me on the News Hour this evening. See you tomorrow 9 p.m. Good night and goodbye.